guys, I hope you are having a great day and welcome back to my channel. This is your host Riya. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite days of the year, Halloween. Do you like dressing up? I love dressing up and showing them to my friends. On Halloween, we wear costumes, say trick or treat, and get lots and lots of candy. But do you know where Halloween came from? Let's learn about Halloween by going back a super long time ago for a fun story. The story of Halloween. A long time ago, over 2,000 years ago, the people who lived in the place called Ireland and other parts of Europe celebrated a festival called Samhain, pronounced as Samhain. It's also the Irish language name for November. I'll tell you a secret. I love the Irish culture and I'm still learning Irish language, also known as Gaelic, as part of my school studies. Back to the story. It was a time when summer ended and winter began. People believed that on this special night, spirits, not the scary ones, could visit the living world. So they lit big bonfires to stay warm and safe and wore costumes to look like friendly spirits. Later, people started calling the day All Hallows Eve, which means the evening before All Saints' Day. And over time, it became Halloween. Halloween tradition is a super fun time for kids and grown-ups too. We wear costumes like witches, ghosts, unicorns, fairies, superheroes, princesses, or anything we want. And we go trick-or-treating, knocking on doors and saying trick or treat to get candy. Yummy yum! We carve pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns. If you don't know about it, those are pumpkins with funny faces that glow with candles inside. Looks awesome, right? Some people decorate their homes with bats, skeletons, and fake spiders. But remember, it's all just pretend and for fun. Today, Halloween is celebrated in many countries around the world. It's a night full of costumes, friends, sweets, and giggles, not scares. Some kids go to Halloween parades or parties. Others watch friendly, spooky movies with their families. And the best part? Everyone can be whoever they want to be, even for just one magical night. So let's remember, Halloween started a long time ago as a special fall festival called Samhain. People wore costumes to feel safe and have fun. Today, it's a happy night to dress up, trick or treat, and laugh with friends and family. Thanks for learning about Halloween with me. Have a fun, safe, and sweet Halloween. If you like this video, please press the like button and do share it with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of my videos. The more likes and subscription you give for my videos, the more motivation you give me to make more such wonderful videos. Hope you all enjoyed it. We will see you all on my next video then. I wish you all happy learning. Bye bye.